Welcome back to our channel, Mr. Scanner. Today, we've got an exciting sneak peek for you. It's the moment we've all been waiting for, a first look at the incredible iPhone 15. Apple's latest flagship promises to redefine the smartphone experience, and we're here to give you an exclusive preview. So, if you're as excited as we are, hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and let's dive right into what the future of mobile technology holds. First, let's talk about the design. The iPhone 15 continues Apple's tradition of sleek and elegant aesthetics. It features a titanium body that feels incredibly premium. One notable change is the placement of the camera module, which is now more seamlessly integrated into the body. What are the new features of the Apple iPhone 15? Charging port. The brand new Apple iPhone 15 series has a USB-C type charging port. Unlike the previous models, the Android-like charging port is the most prominent upgrade in the new Apple models. Camera. The latest Apple iPhone 15 series has a new 48 camera which clicks super high-resolution photos. The 2x telephoto acts like a third camera, and the 4x telephoto captures incredible details. A new A17 Bionic chip that is faster and more efficient than the A16 Bionic chip in the iPhone 14. The size of the iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Pro is 6.1 inches, and the size of the iPhone 15 Plus and iPhone 15 Pro Max is 6.7 inches. Color. Apple has introduced the latest iPhone 15 series in 5 colors: black and shades of pastel pink, yellow, green, and blue. The iPhone 15 Pro series has a titanium finish and comes in 4 colors: black, blue, white, and natural titanium. Battery life. Apple has enhanced the battery life in its new models. The iPhone 15 has up to 20 hours of video playback, and the iPhone 15 Plus has up to 26 hours. The iPhone 15 starts at $79,900 in India, while the iPhone 15 Pro starts at $134,900. The iPhone 15 starts at $79,900 in India, while the iPhone 15 Pro starts at $134,900. Apple iPhone 15 series has been launched in India and other global markets. The new Apple devices will be made available for pre-booking from September 15, and the sale will start from September 22. This will be the first iPhone launch after Apple inaugurated its official stores in Delhi and Mumbai. Buyers looking to go to the stores to pick up their device can expect long queues on day one of the sale.